For years, they promised you the robots would come for the warehouse and the wheel, truck drivers, cashiers, factory lines. It's 2026, and they were wrong. The jobs AI is actually killing are the ones we were told were safe, clean, indoors, degree required, desk bound. Here's the honest part, because this channel doesn't sell panic. Of the roughly 1.2 million US layoffs announced in 2025, only about 4.5% even named AI. But don't mistake that restraint for safety. Goldman Sachs estimates AI could automate a quarter of all the hours Americans work. Number 28. Telemarketers. Cold calling from a script is the purest kind of task. A clear input, a clear output, which is exactly what AI voice agents now do, tirelessly, without a lunch break. Analysts rate the role around 99% automatable, one of the highest scores of any job in the economy. Number 27. Data entry clerks. Typing numbers off a form into a system is precisely what document reading AI was built to erase. Oxford flagged 95% of the tasks as automatable years ago, and the survivors are getting cheaper. Average pay slid from $38,000 to $33,000 in just 2 years. Number 26. Postal and mail sorting clerks. As physical mail shrinks and the routing that's left gets automated end to end, the World Economic Forum now lists postal clerks among the fastest declining jobs on Earth, measured in the raw number of positions disappearing. Number 25. Travel agents. Booking websites gutted this job 2 decades ago. Now AI planners that build your entire itinerary inside a chat window take what was left. Estimates put around 70% of the role's tasks at risk. The American travel agent workforce has been shrinking for 20 years. AI is writing the last chapter. Number 24. Bank tellers. Every mobile deposit and AI-handled query is one less reason to staff a branch window. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects teller jobs falling 15% this decade, roughly 51,000 positions gone. Number 23. Medical transcriptionists. Once speech-to-text got good enough for the exam room, the person who typed up the doctor's notes stopped being necessary. Some analyses now call the task 99% automated. The government's own projection has the role shrinking almost 5%. Number 22. Medical coders. Turning a doctor's notes into billing codes is pattern matching against a rulebook, and AI is very good at rulebooks. Roughly 40% of medical coding was projected to be automated as of 2025, with the routine, high-volume work going first. Number 21. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Reconciling transactions, processing invoices, running payroll, software now does that entire loop. The strategist CPA is safe. The clerk keying in receipts is not. Around 40% of accounting tasks are automatable. Number 20. Tax preparers. Filing a standard return is exactly the kind of language and logic work large language models handle best. The landmark OpenAI study on which jobs AI can do ranked tax preparers among the single most exposed occupations in the entire labor market, alongside writers and public relations specialists as the most language exposed of any occupation. Number 19. Loan officers. Deciding whether a routine applicant qualifies is increasingly a model's call, not a person's, faster and without the paperwork. Analysts put roughly 30% of the role at risk as lenders push approvals into software. Number 18. Credit analysts. Pulling a company's numbers and scoring its risk is precisely what AI does in seconds. The Bureau of Labor Statistics already projects the role declining nearly 4%. Modest on paper, but the junior rung is taking the hit first. Number 17. Insurance underwriters. Lead qualification, quote generation, comparing standard policies. The routine core of the job is being absorbed by systems. For basic auto and life products, the humans increasingly just supervises the machine's decision. Number 16. Compliance and KYC analysts. Banks are pushing AI hardest into back and middle office work, checking documents, flagging risk, onboarding clients. Bloomberg Intelligence estimates Wall Street could cut up to 200,000 of these roles over the next 3 to 5 years. Singapore's largest bank, DBS, is already cutting around 4,000 roles as AI absorbs the work. Number 15. Market research analysts. Designing the survey, coding the responses, writing up the findings, increasingly a prompt, not a team. Around a quarter of the role's tasks are directly exposed to today's AI, and the junior data crunching goes first. Number 14, legal secretaries. Drafting standard filings, formatting documents, managing routine correspondence, pure language work, which is the machine's home turf. That same landmark OpenAI study named legal secretaries one of the most AI-exposed jobs of all. Number 13, paralegals and legal researchers. AI can read 10,000 contracts before a junior finishes their coffee, and document review is the bread and butter of entry-level legal work. One 2026 analysis put paralegals at roughly an 80% automation risk, and legal researchers about 65% by 2027. Number 12, recruiters and resume screeners. The irony writes itself. The people who screen you for a job are being screened out. About 85% of recruitment screening is now considered automatable, as AI ranks and filters candidates before a human ever looks. About 90% of benefits administration is going the same way. Number 11, middle managers. When AI handles the scheduling, the status reports, and the performance dashboards, the layer whose whole job was collecting and relaying information gets thin fast. Gartner projects that by this year, a fifth of organizations will use AI to flatten their structure, wiping out more than half of current middle management roles. In one analysis of 180 million postings, middle management roles were among the worst performers of all. Number 10, technical writers. Software documentation is structured, repetitive, and generated straight from the code, so AI now drafts it. Writers as a whole category, technical writers included, sit among the fastest declining job postings, down close to 30%. Number 9, proofreaders and copy editors. When the same machine that writes the draft also checks its own spelling and grammar, the person who caught the typos becomes optional. Analysts rate proofreading up to 85% automatable, one of the highest scores on the entire board. Number 8, translators. Not the live interpreter reading a room, that job is safer. The one converting a technical manual from English into German. About 40% of that work is now exposed to AI language models, and on freelance platforms, demand for translation has dropped by as much as half. Number 7, voiceover artists, especially in dubbing. AI can now clone a voice and lip sync it into any language. A Hollywood study flagged that these tools are likely to suppress demand for multilingual voice actors specifically. That narrator you can't quite place in a corporate video? Increasingly, it's synthetic. Number 6, stock photographers. Why license a photo of a smiling person at a laptop when you can generate 1,000 of them, royalty-free, in under a minute? In a study of 180 million job postings, photographer roles fell 28%. A 2-year slide, not a blip. Number 5, template graphic designers. Postings for computer graphic artists fell 33% in a single year and 12% the year before. 2 straight years of collapse. If your job is turning a brief into a clean layout, image generators do it in seconds. The designer who owns the strategy and the client survives. The one who just makes it look nice does not. Number 4, copywriters and content writers. Since 2022, writing jobs on the open market have fallen roughly 30%. One projection has content writing roles dropping from 380,000 to 190,000 by 2030, a 50% cut. Freelancers put head-to-head with ChatGPT saw their earnings fall over 5% almost overnight. Number 3, entry-level data analysts. Pulling the numbers, cleaning the spreadsheet, drafting the first version of the memo. That is exactly what a copilot does in seconds now. The senior who reads the room keeps their seat. The 23-year-old who used to do their homework does not. Entry-level technical roles are down around 14% in hiring. Stanford finds workers aged 22 to 25 in the most exposed roles down about 13%. Number 2, QA and software testers. The manual kind, clicking through an app to find what breaks. AI now writes and runs those test cases automatically. It's a big part of why entry-level tech hiring has collapsed faster than almost any other white-collar category. And number 1, the job nobody wanted on this list. Junior software developers. Coders. The single most recommended safe career of the last 10 years. Learn to code, they said. Yet since late 2022, employment for developers aged 22 to 25 has fallen nearly 20%, according to Stanford's Digital Economy Lab. AI writes the simple code a junior used to learn on, so companies just stopped hiring the junior. The machine came first for the people who build the machine. The cruel twist buried in the data. Over that same stretch, workers over 30 in those exact roles actually gained ground. AI is boosting the experienced and starving the beginner. Look back at that list, and the pattern is impossible to miss. Almost none of these jobs use your hands. AI didn't come for the plumber, the electrician, the nurse, or the truck driver. It came for the desk, and it came for the bottom of the ladder first. The junior, the assistant, the entry-level seat where you used to learn the job before you were any good at it. So here's the takeaway. If your work is mostly a task, a clear input, a clear output, done at a screen, assume the clock is running. The work that stays yours needs a human in the room. Judgment, trust, a hand on the actual thing. The robots didn't take the jobs you were warned about. They took the ones you were told were safe.